How to turn Magnifier on and off on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Scroll down to the General section and go to Accessibility shortcut. Over here, scroll down and tap on the Magnifier option. Then, tap on Continue. You have now turned on the Magnifier shortcut. Tap on it again to turn it off. Doing this, you get more control over how you use your device. Following these steps, you can easily turn Magnifier on and off on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.